Welcome, follow me as a REALME GT Neo 3T, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list of toggles, and in here you will find somewhere on one of the pages Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me it's on the second page right over here. Once you see it, you can tap on it to immediately turn it on, or what I recommend doing, at least for the very first time, is holding it, and this will take you to the settings. In here, you can just customize it to fit your needs. Most important settings in here, or at least what I would consider most important ones, would be things like allow messages from, so you can choose who can message you, and also who can call you. There is also additional caveat to the calls with this toggle right here, so allow repeated calls, which means that if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, when enabled, this will bypass whatever you have selected right here. Now, one last thing that is pretty important in here is the schedule. So we can set it up so it automatically turns on and off based on the provided time and also day of the week. There is one already pre-made, as you can see, but you can also create your own if you want to, and you can have multiple of them set up at the same time. Now, if you're planning to use a schedule, just make sure it is enabled in here like so, and you don't have to do anything extra. But for everybody else who just wants to enable it manually from time to time, once you set it up, you can just locate the toggle, tap on it, select turn on, and that's it. It is now enabled, which you can see this moon icon right here. And once you're done with it, you can turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more. So with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.